Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit or modify highlight in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file and click on this comment option, and this right side where here you will find this comment properties and this highlight color. Click here highlight color. You can apply new highlight color and this color default color. You can change it and apply it and see this. Also select this highlight color. You can delete this highlight color also. Click here delete, and here you can apply new highlight and it's more color option, and apply this one and it's color transparency highlight, and see this. In this way you can modify your highlight color, and finally select file option and save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.